Hello everyone, today I will show you how to recover permanently deleted files from an iPhone without backup. And here's how it is done. Method 1. Recover from the recently deleted folder. If you accidentally delete a file, the first thing you should do is check the recently deleted folder to restore it. This method works for photos, notes, and messages on iOS 16 or later, as well as files from apps that have a recently deleted album. Files will stay in this folder for 30 days before being permanently deleted, allowing you to recover them quickly. Method 2. Restore from iCloud. If you have enabled iCloud for apps like Photos, Messages, Contacts, and more, the data is stored there. If you delete a file, you can turn off iCloud for that app and recover your deleted file. For example, to recover messages, go to Settings, tap your name, then tap iCloud. Scroll down and locate the Show All button and tap Messages in iCloud and disable the sync option. A pop-up window appears, then click on Disable and Download Messages. The messages will be downloaded back onto your iPhone. Method 3. Use an iCloud backup. If you need to recover files that are older than 30 days, or if an app doesn't have a recently deleted album, you can try restoring from an iCloud backup. This will require erasing your iPhone and restoring it from a backup created before the files were deleted. Open Settings, tap General, transfer or reset iPhone at the bottom, and then tap Erase All Content and Settings. Enter your lock screen passcode, and the erasing on your iPhone should take place. And that is everything you need to know about how to recover permanently deleted files from an iPhone without backup. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.